Hello students, myself Ashish Rai. Welcome to my YouTube channel Watch and Learn. Please subscribe my channel to learn different educational topics. Before starting today's video, I would like to thank all the students and viewers who have already subscribed my channel. I would also like to thank those students and viewers who are going to subscribe my channel. Hello students, welcome again to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about the kinds of verbs. Before starting, I would like to tell you the definition of verb. A verb is a word that tells or asserts something about a person or thing. Verb comes from the Latin word verbum. Verb is the most important word in a sentence. Verbs are divided into two groups, principal verb and auxiliary verb. Principal verb. When a verb is used independently, it is called a principal verb. For example, he walks slowly, I eat rice, they go to school. In these sentences, the verb walks, eat, go used independently. That is, the function is not dependent on other verbs. Auxiliary verb. When a verb is used only to assist some other verb to form tense, voice and mode is called an auxiliary verb. For example, I am writing a letter. He is going to school. Rani does not go to school. He has gone. They are playing. In these sentences, am, is, are, has are known as auxiliary verb. Am, is, are also known as be verbs. Sometimes these auxiliary verbs can used as principal verb. For example, I am glad. They are ill. He has a bat. Raj does the sum. Angshu is a good boy. In these sentences, am, are, has, does, is, etc. are used as a principal verb or main verb. Okay students, now see, principal verbs are divided into two classes, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that requires an object to express complete meaning. Without an object, the sense of the verb is incomplete. For example, he reads a book. Ram gave me a book for my birthday. In these two sentences, reads and gave are two transitive verbs because they both have an object, book. Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not require an object to act upon. For example, they jumped, the dog ran, she sang, etc. None of these verbs require an object for the sentence to make sense. Some verbs can be both. Many verbs can be classified as both transitive and intransitive depending on how they are used in a sentence. For example, asked by the others, she sang. The verb sang in this sentence is intransitive. She sang the national anthem at the cricket game. In this sentence, sang used as a transitive verb. After he cleaned up, he left. In this sentence, left is intransitive verb. He left the gift on the table. In this sentence, left used as a transitive verb. Okay student, this is all for this video. Please keep watching my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.